So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add texture to your fro in doing two-strand twists and then doing the twist out. Here's what it looks like. So the first step is to rinse your hair thoroughly to get rid of any dirt or gunk that's been left in your hair. Here's what my hair looks like after rinse. So the next step is shampooing. I'm going to be using Food for Soft shampoo. Make sure to use the right amount according to how much hair you have. When you're shampooing, make sure you get the shampoo into your scalp because it's your scalp that needs cleaning. Make sure to use your fingertips to massage your scalp to prevent any irritation or cuts. So to detangle, I'm going to be using a wide tooth comb and also Shea Moisture Conditioner. Okay, so for detangling, you take your section and start from your ends and work your way down to your roots. And this is what my hair looks like after fully detangling. This is what my hair looks like after washing out the conditioner. Now I'm going to go in with my Quench Leave-In Conditioner as styling product for my two-strand twist. And smooth it onto your section. So for two-strand twist, you take 2 strands of hair and then wrap them around each other until you can't anymore. If you guys want a more detailed explanation about this, let me know in the comments. And then I'm going to repeat the same process. When you're doing your two-strand twists, make sure to let them be a little bit bigger than usual just to get the best results. This whole process took me about an hour and a half. And this is what my hair looks like after completing all of my twists. Now you're gonna go to sleep and wear a bonnet to protect your hair. And this is the next day. I had to switch locations. I hope that's not a problem for anyone. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like in the morning. Alright, so you take the twist, start at the root, and separate both strands of hair. As written in the video, this is usually done with oil, but I forgot to bring it with me. And repeat the same process all throughout your hair. The twist out really shouldn't take longer than 30 minutes. After you separated each twist, you're going to repeat the same thing and keep separating to get more of an afro. Whenever I do this style on my hair, I like to get a haircut to enhance the look. This is what it looks like after. I'm really happy with these results. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So this is the end of my video. If you guys liked it, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like and follow for more. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.